welcome to another vlog. So today we are going to talk about how I stopped caring what others think. So I used to think a lot about what people thought of me. I would say what will they say? Will they judge me? Or if I make a mistake? Honestly, I stopped doing those things just because I was worried, but slowly I realized that people are going to judge anyway. They will going to judge you. So, and I have also seen that they are actually like they are actually busy in their own life. They actually a lot they actually a lot they actually thought a lot of themselves, about their family. They don't care about you, what you are actually doing, what have you done, what will you do in future, blah blah blah. So no matter what you do, someone will like it, someone will not, and we cannot control it. So why should I spend so much time worrying about it? For example, like if I want to create a vlog and I will think that they will gonna say in the comments like, what if I look awkward? What if my voice looks strange, sounds strange, blah blah blah. And really, I don't hear those things, those opinions, those comments from now on, because people are people. They are like, they actually like want to make make herself first from others, and they will compare a lot. So comparison will not stop. They will gonna say something in front of you, whatever. So just listen and just throw it at the same time. Don't indulge in yourself that thought. Okay, honestly, people usually don't think about us as much as we imagine. So I stopped trying to make everyone happy. I'm still learning, and sometimes I overthink. So when I notice myself worrying about others' opinions, any kind of thought like that, so I remind myself that this is my life. This is not their life. This is my life. And what actually freedom really feels like, I just have to be myself, and I just think about myself, only myself, and nothing matters to me. So when I was in college, I had those kinds of things a lot. I think a lot about if I didn't give a good presentation, what they will think, what they will think like, she's not doing great, she's not speaking very confidently. Don't think a lot about that. Just be yourself, just be better every single day, just trying your best every single day. If first presentation is not looks good, even second or third presentation, don't worry about it. Just trying, give your best, just give your best, just find out what the mistakes I have done and correct it, and be confident in every presentation, and leave those people who actually think bad about you, and they actually usually talk a lot behind yourself. So just leave them, just left them in your college. Don't talk to them again, okay? Make good friends who actually talk about the future self, about the careers, about the assignments, presentations, about the analytical thinking, questions, assignments, whatever, blah blah blah. Don't make those friends who talk a lot about others people, others friends. like gossiping. They are gossiping about other friends, other classmates. Don't be with them, okay? I have experienced these things a lot in my college, so I recommend you, please listen it carefully and just do what you actually like, okay? Do what makes you happy, make mistakes, learn, trying again, and keep going, because at the end of the day your life is yours, not theirs. So be with yourself, do what you really want to do what you actually like. Listen, don't overthink about what they have said to you, but just that time, if you can't control those thoughts, just listen to music, your favorite kind of music. It will help a lot. So stay tuned, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.